empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying.
Mga kabiders, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat at welcome back to my channel. Medyo matagal-tagal din tayong hindi nakapag-vlog o di nakapag-share ng ating pre-range chicken kasi medyo busy tayo mga kabiders. Actually kakatapos lang ng ating duty. Ngayong vlog na to o sa video na to guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung bagong area namin na paglilipatan ng aming Black Australorp at saka yung Rhode Island Red. Then sa dulo ng video kabreeders, i-share ko sa inyo kung magkano lahat yung nagastos namin o yung nilaang budget sa aming breeding pen o yung bagong area namin na paglilipatan ng aming pre-range chicken. Bali ang sukat nun mga kabreeders ay 7 meters yung haba, 4 meters yung kaluwang. Then ang nagamit namin na yero ay 26 pieces. Sa dulo ng video mga kabreeders, share ko sa inyo kung magkano lahat yung nagastos namin. Kaya panoorin mo yung full video natin mga kabreeders. Okay, tara, panoorin natin yung video.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Breeders, ang nagastos namin lahat yan sa aming bagong breeding pen ay nasa 25k, kasama na yung yero natin, tapos yung kahoy na gamit, tapos yung mga pako natin, tapos yung bamboo na gagamitin o yung pang pangharang natin sa gilid-gilid ng ating breeding pen. Bali sa labor mga ka-breeders, nakatipid ako doon kasi yung tatay ko na at yung kapatid ko yung gumawa, dalawa sila. Hey, salamat mga ka-breeders sa panonood, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel para updated tayo kung meron tayong mga video bagong ilalabas. Okay, happy farming sa ating lahat mga ka-breeders.